What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I decided to switch it up a little bit and bring you guys in the kitchen with me. Now, disclaimer, I am not a chef of any sort. Personally, meal prep just to save some time, to stop myself from eating out so much, especially fast food, and to manage my portions a little bit better than I do. To have a meal ready and set to go is such a time saver. So that's probably the biggest reason why I meal prep. I mainly meal prep lunch, dinner, and sometimes snacks. Sometimes I don't do snacks, but for the sake of the video and now that I'm working, I'm going to meal prep some snacks as well. I am a greens girl, but however, I'm not a veggies girl. I don't really eat onions, peppers, and things like that, but I do like my spinach, my green beans, my sweet peas. I don't eat pork. I stopped eating pork about a year and a half ago, and I don't really cook beef. I do eat beef, but I don't really cook beef. Real quick, I'm gonna go through exactly what I have going on while I drink my wine. So let's get into all of this. Now, this may not be the healthiest meal that you've ever seen being meal prepped. My meal prep is really not designed for the super healthiest thing. Even though it's not the healthiest, it's definitely not just horrible either. So don't judge my meal. I have two meats. I have shrimp right here, and I have salmon fillet. Salmon fillet will be for my dinner, and the shrimp will be a part of the salad that I'm going to make for my lunch. Now, fun fact about my salad, I don't really like salad because I don't like salad dressing, so sometimes it's kind of pointless. But if it has a meat, it kind of gives it some juiciness and some flavor, and it's not so dry. So I like to put meats in my salad. And I got my meats and majority of my greens from Publix. Next, moving on to more of the snack type things, I have my cheese, which will be matched with my Club mini crackers. Here is just the multi-grain mini crackers, which you guys will see me prep in a minute. Next, we have cookies. Now, I don't really snack unhealthy, but I've been craving cookies lately, so I got some cookies. I have eggs because I will be putting boiled eggs in my salad. So over here I got my spinach. This is what I use for my salad, and whatever is left over, I'm gonna put it in my eggs for my breakfast because I like having spinach in my eggs. Next, we have almonds. I can honestly snack on almonds by themselves, and one of my guilty snacks is to pair them with Hershey. And I know you can buy Hershey already with the almond in it, but I like to just be difficult and buy them separately. Then we got my grapes. I'm gonna bag the grapes up into smaller bags. Just a bag of green beans. I love green beans, so this is going to be with my salmon. I forgot to put this in the picture, but it's the Zatarain's long grain wild rice. Will go alongside my salmon and my green beans. And back here in the back, I have my pretzel sticks. I love snacking on these, so I'm gonna bag them into individual bags. Let's get into the containers that I use for my meal prep. Now, these three will be used for my lunch. Prep containers will be used for my dinner. And I got these from Walmart, and I'm pretty sure I got these from Walmart as well. For my snacks, I just have these little snack bags, Ziploc snack bags. So I'm going to be making 3 lunches and 4 dinners, but one of my dinners will be for tonight. I personally don't like to cook for a whole 7 days because you can get tired of meal prep. So I'm only going to be cooking for a 3-day period. And 1 meal for my dinner tonight with my salmon. Oh, I forgot to mention, for the shrimp, they are already steamed and cooked and ready to go. So I won't be cooking the shrimp. My salad will have cheese, you guys. I just forgot to mention it. So I got my cheese. So first, I'm gonna go and prep my stove for my eggs and for my rice. guys, so this is the end of the video, and just to run back through of what I made, I just prepped my snacks. Got some crackers, which I'll pair with the cheese, but of course I can't package the cheese. I'm gonna leave it in the refrigerator. Got my cookies, got my almonds, which I'm gonna pair with the chocolate or just eat alone. Got my grapes, and I got my pretzel sticks. To my salad, I know a lot of y'all are probably laughing at my salad. Sometimes I do put like an extra green in it, like broccoli or something, but just meat, cheese, spinach, and an egg. Sometimes I do 2 eggs, but I don't wanna do too much egg this time. And on to the dinner. I had salmon and shrimp, wild rice, and green beans. So I ended up having way more shrimp than I expected. I bought 1.5 pounds. I should have just got 1 pound, but it worked out because my salmon ended up being like extremely small, which I don't mind. This is my plate for the night. I'm going to put this plate in the microwave for about 20 seconds, and I'm going to go enjoy my meal. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.